So in this section we'll learn about installation and boot disk. So the name states a lot, and this is the actual practical section where we'll be learning how to install Mac using Windows. So this is the Windows method. So for people who don't have OS X, and usually OS X is required to make bootable pen drives for OS X, but right now the Windows method, and this is an unstable method. Now the next method we have is actually to use, it's an alternate method, but it is semi-stable, and it's somewhat like restoring the image file. And then we have a stable method, and this is the genuine method where we'll be making our own setup for our computer and for your laptop. And then we have post installation. So this is something that you might have to focus on. And then we have the next section. Now the next video is all about installing OS X using Windows. So I hope you will be there and you will complete the course. Don't leave the course in the middle, or your PC might be frozen or stuck or even break.